We're gonna do a laundry room makeover. I'm just marking the cabinet edges. Kevin's gonna take these off, and I see I'm gonna do a little cleaning too. So I wipe the back wall because that's what's gonna have this wallpaper on it. It's adhesive wallpaper, so I only got one roll. I'm trying to be economical with it. Last one.
Right? It's not coming off.
Oh, did we get the side?
We did.
Ah. Person who put those cabinets in pretty much stripped out every screw there is, so we're having trouble getting it apart. Basically, I'm just taking these and unrolling them and where it's going to match up. So some patterns will be different than others. This one's not too bad, and it's going to be high up, so you might want more paper if that's going to be a problem.
They don't want our help.
There she is.